Nagaland Governor La Ganesan has officially announced the launch of the Nagaland Super League NSL, the state's premier football league scheduled to commence its inaugural season in 2024. The announcement was made during the 76th Republic Day celebrations at the Nagaland Civil Secretariat Plaza, Kohima, where the governor revealed that the league would be launched on January 28, 2025, coinciding with the birth anniversary of legendary footballer Dr. Tale Maran Au. A collaborative initiative between the All India Football Federation AIFF, the Nagaland Olympic Association and the Nagaland Football Association NFA, the NSL aims to provide a professional platform for the state's sports fraternity. Governor Ganesan emphasized that the NSL would open new opportunities for the youth, promote entrepreneurship, generate employment and nurture a robust club culture, giving a significant boost to Nagaland's sports industry. The decision to establish the NSL was finalized during a governing body meeting chaired by NFF President and AIFF Executive Member Nubo Sekose. The meeting discussed the league's framework, including plans for its inaugural season, which will feature 8 franchise teams competing throughout the season. The governing body announced that it would soon call for letters of interest and release advertisement to invite potential franchise owners. Detailed criteria for franchise ownership will also be shared with the public. To ensure the league's smooth functioning, several committees have been formed to oversee logistical, technical, and promotional aspects. The meeting reaffirmed the NSL commitment to promoting football excellence in Nagaland and providing a competitive platform for local talent. The league's establishment follows an announcement by the Nagaland Chief Minister during the inauguration of the 23rd Dr. Tiao Inter-District Championship Trophy in Tuensang, where he pledged government support for a professional football league in the state. Nubo Sekose expressed gratitude to the Chief Minister and the state government for their continued backing in bringing this vision to life. The Nagaland Football Association has appealed to sports lovers, football enthusiasts, and capable patrons to explore opportunities to own franchises and contribute to the state's football growth. The NSL aims to not only foster the development of football but also celebrate Nagaland's rich football culture on a professional stage.